বাংলাদেশ পার্লামেন্ট হাউস, বাংলাদেশ পার্লামেন্ট হাউস। A lots of people together here because perform internal prayer. Bangladesh three time old Prime Minister Begum Khaleda Zia. She has been passed. She has been died. We are perform her internal prayer. That means Arabic call janaza. We pray for him. Allah give her Jannatul Firdaus. Amin. And she, Bangladesh, honorable person, respectable person, humble person, but she has been died. We are pray for him. Allah give me Jannatul Firdaus. Amin. Again say Jannatul Firdaus. Amin. Lots of people together, and join her internal prayer. Complete her internal prayer. Begum Khaleda Zia in prayer complete, and lots of people go to his place.
আজকের কথা বলে শেষ করা পৃথিবীর স্মরণীয় দিন আজকের একটি দিন। আজকে লক্ষ লক্ষ জনতা, আমার মনে হয় যে 50 লক্ষ বেশি হয়েছে আজকে সর্ববৃহৎ বাংলাদেশের ইতিহাসে আজকে